We'll just set this here for now. By the time afternoon gets here, this will be receiving full sun and will be ready by evening. Okay, family, I got really busy yesterday, so all I had time to do was just bring the tea in. Didn't have time to taste it or anything. I started with moringa and black tea bags. And from that, we added on the rest of the tulsi basil from the Planner HGC challenge that we had that was in the hydroponic unit. I added stevia, lemon balm, blueberry leaves, and mullein from the garden. And I love this little jar. I didn't have any of my mason jars here at the house yet. They're still at the apartment. But I actually remember this jar growing up. Some sort of instant coffee had come in it. And my mother and grandmother used to keep them. So I was pretty happy that I found a couple of these still here. I had to be about maybe 6 or 7 when they was buying the coffee in them. So it's vintage, just like I am. Smells real good. And that's excellent. And surprisingly, it has a nice undertone of the blueberry, considering it wasn't that many blueberry leaves. So, thank you Back to Our Roots for putting out this challenge. Thank you, You Grow Row, for tagging me in this challenge. I'm gonna go get this over some ice. It's good. See you later, family. Bye-bye.